In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Suno track as an audio file on your mobile device. If you want to save one of your tracks directly to your phone so you can listen to it offline, share it more easily, or organize it in your files, this process is very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along whether you're using the Suno app or opening Suno in your mobile browser. To begin, open Suno on your mobile device. You can do this either through the app if you have it installed, or by using your phone's web browser and signing in there. Once you're inside Suno, look for the library section. This is where your saved and created tracks are stored, so it's the place you'll need to go whenever you want to access your music. After you open library, find the track you want to download. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct version, especially if you have multiple generations or similar track names. When you've found the right one, tap on that track to open it. With the track open, look for the three-dot menu, which is the More option. This menu usually contains extra actions related to the track, including download options. Tap the three dots to open that menu, then choose download. After that, select audio. This tells Suno that you want to save the track itself as an audio file, rather than choosing any other available format. Once you tap audio, the file will begin saving directly to your phone's files. Depending on your device, you may see a download notification, or the file may appear in your downloads folder or your phone's file manager. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment, especially if the connection is slow or the file is still processing. It can also help to check your default downloads location if your phone automatically sorts files into different folders. And that's it. Once the download is complete, your Suno track will be saved on your mobile device as an audio file. From there, you can play it offline, move it to another folder, or share it using the apps on your phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.